John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in Him should not perish but have everlasting life.
Wow, palakpak naman. Yan, okay. Okay, next.
Matthew 22 verse 37. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your with all your soul, and with all your mind. Higugma ang Ginoo sa tibuok mong kasing-kasing, tibuok mong kalag, o tibuok mong hunahuna.
Okay, yay! Palakpak naman. Oh, ano sa'yo? Okay, next.
Ephesians 6 verse 1. Obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Mga anak, managtuman ka mo sa inyong mga ginikanan diha sa Ginoo kay kini husto.
Yay! Ang galing! Oh, ano sa'yo?
Very good.
Yan, nice. Ikaw.
Ako pang tudlo na ko niya kasi katawa si Mia. 5 to 6. Yan, very good. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, on your own understanding, on your own acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight.
Wow! Nice! Oh, change.